to YouTube channel Ebony. Enjoy the show!
This is red color. This is donkey animal.
Jump and dance so happily. Clap your hands and spin around. Joyful music all around. Yeehaw!
Wow, amazing. This is swan animal.
Swan is singing bright today. Splash and smile, let's laugh and play. Wave your wings up to the sky. Hooray!
Wow, amazing. This is green color. This is chicken animal.
Cluck, cluck, sing with me. Happy as a chick can be. Jump up high, spin around. Music makes a happy sound. Cluck, cluck, hooray!
Wow, amazing. This is cow animal.
Moo, moo, sing today. Color, clap your hands. Happy hearts across the lands. Moo-hoo, hooray!
Wow, amazing. This is blue color. This is goat animal.
Skip, skip, sing with me. Happy as can ever be. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Every song is fun and sweet. Yay, let's sing!
Wow, amazing. This is dog animal.
Woof, woof, sing with me. Happy as a pup can be. Jump so high, wag your tail. Fun adventures never fail. Woof, hooray!
Oh, amazing. This is black color. This is horse animal.
Gallops for all to see. Tap your hooves and smile so bright. Sing together, white, neigh, hooray!
Wow, amazing. This is rabbit animal.
Hop, sing today. Reading, laughing, let's all play. Turn the pages, clap with glee. Books and songs are fun for me. Hip hop, hooray!
Oh, amazing. This is roaster animal.
Sing with me, happy as the sun can be. Flap your wings and dance around, joy and music all around. Cock-a-doodle, yay!
Wow, amazing. This is cat animal.
Meow, meow, sing with me, happy as a cat can be. Jump and play, dance all day, smiles and fun are here to stay.
Wow, amazing. Thank you guys. See you next time.